Imagine a powerful, heart-healing remedy that has been trusted for thousands of years, growing quietly in the forests of India. This remarkable natural medicine is known as Arjuna bark, the bark of the Terminalia Arjuna tree. For more than 3,000 years, Ayurvedic medicine has used this bark to support heart health, circulation, and overall vitality. But what does modern science say about it? In this video, we'll explore what Arjuna bark is, its scientifically studied health benefits, and the safest ways to use it. Let's begin. The Terminalia Arjuna tree grows naturally along riverbanks and forests throughout the Indian subcontinent. Its thick outer bark has been used for centuries in Ayurveda as a powerful cardiac tonic. Ancient Sanskrit texts describe Arjuna as a remedy that strengthens the heart, blood circulation, and mental balance. The bark contains several bioactive compounds, including glycosides, especially arjunic acid and arjunetin, flavonoids, which act as powerful antioxidants, tannins, known for anti-inflammatory effects, and important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Together, these compounds contribute to the many health benefits associated with Arjuna bark. Let's explore the most important ones. Benefit 1. Supports heart health. Arjuna bark is best known for its ability to support the heart. Research suggests it may help strengthen heart muscles, improve cardiac output, and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The glycosides in Arjuna bark act as a natural cardiac tonic, helping the heart pump blood more efficiently. Some studies have also found it may help people with stable angina reduce episodes of chest discomfort. In simple terms, Arjuna bark works like a natural tune-up for the heart. Benefit 2. Helps manage cholesterol. Another important benefit is its role in supporting healthy cholesterol levels. Studies indicate that Arjuna bark may help reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while maintaining healthy HDL cholesterol. The antioxidants present in the bark help prevent oxidative damage to cholesterol particles, which is one of the key steps in the development of heart disease. Benefit 3. Powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Arjuna bark is also packed with antioxidants. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also help support the body in conditions related to chronic inflammation, including joint problems and metabolic disorders. Benefit 4. Supports liver health. Emerging research suggests Arjuna bark may also support liver function. The flavonoids and tannins in the bark may help reduce oxidative stress in liver cells, offering protective effects against toxins and metabolic stress. While more studies are needed, early findings are promising. Benefit 5. Promotes wound healing and skin health. Traditionally, Arjuna bark powder has also been used externally on the skin. Because of its astringent and antimicrobial properties, it may help speed up wound healing, reduce acne, and improve skin texture. In Ayurvedic skincare, it is sometimes used to tighten pores and control excess oil. Arjuna bark can be used in several traditional ways. First, Arjuna tea or decoction. Boil 1 teaspoon of Arjuna bark powder in 2 cups of water. Simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. It is traditionally taken in the morning on an empty stomach. Second, Arjuna milk preparation. In Ayurveda, the bark is sometimes simmered in milk, a preparation known as ksirpaka, which is believed to enhance its heart-supporting effects. Third, capsule or supplement form. Many people today prefer standardized Arjuna capsules, which are widely available as herbal supplements. Always follow the recommended dosage on the label. Before using Arjuna bark, keep a few important precautions in mind. If you are taking heart medications, blood pressure drugs, or blood thinners, consult your doctor first, as Arjuna bark may interact with these medicines. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using it unless advised by a healthcare professional. Start with a small dose and observe how your body responds. Remember, herbal supplements should support medical care, not replace prescribed treatment. Arjuna bark is truly one of nature's remarkable herbal medicines, combining ancient Ayurvedic wisdom with modern scientific interest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more evidence-based natural health insights. And let me know in the comments, have you ever used Arjuna bark? Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.